The Tokitok Pride did us proud from the beginning, and as we filmed their hunts we were able to show the subtleties of their personalities. Big animals like buffalo needed them working as a team. The oldest female usually took the lead. We filmed her risking life and limb many times. The youngest lioness was still very nervous. The combined weight of all of them was needed to bring down this, the largest of their prey.
Hunting buffalo was dangerous, but an even greater problem lay just on the doorstep. It was the Mungé Pride.
The more we film the Tokitoks, the more we realise that a pride is like a dynasty. Its power rises and falls over many years. Our hope was that this pride was on the way up. Where did the outcast lioness fit in? The youngest lioness didn't like her at all. Maybe all this aggression was because the outcast had got a shady past. Only time would tell.